Fauna! Hello, hello! Fauna! Welcome to the Getting Over It Trials! Hello, I'm here with my co-hosts Ourochimarue and wildcard today, IRyS. Well, should we interview our contestants? Okay, let us drag in Baeruto for— wait, they're together right now. We're gonna interrupt them. Is that fine?
You should probably ping him first.
Ping them? Don't just—
I never notice Discord pings when I'm streaming though.
IRyS.
Yeah?
I choose you, go.
Oh, okay.
Go.
Okay.
Go fetch one of them.
Okay. IRyS!
Is this the power of the wild card?
My name
Hello,
is
Baeruto.
Hakurmaki Baeruto Tate Bayo.
How are you feeling today, Baeruto? Are you ready for this
You
competition?
feeling confident?
I'm so confident. Tate Bayo. Like I've just mastered the Rasengan and I'm ready to meet Moomsuke in battle.
You're coming in with new skills.
Yes. My name is Hakurmaki Baeruto. My favorite things are 3-minute noodles. I don't like Moomsuke, and my dream is to become the Hokage one day. Hey. Well, hopefully Moomsuke doesn't get derailed. I'm going to save Moomsuke from your clutches, Ourochimarue.
She's already pretty gone from my grasp, but
Oh, no.
yeah, you do your best.
Thank you very much, Ourochimarue. Kronii Chimaru. I don't even— what is it?
I don't even know, man. Or Ourochimarue, I think.
Introduce yourself, Moomsuke.
I would love to. I mean, I love nothing. My name is Moomsuke Nanaha. I hate a lot of things, and I don't particularly like anything. What I have is not a dream, because I will make it reality. I'm going to defeat Baeruto. Oh, I'm sorry, Baeruto in getting over it. I'm gonna put a hole through her.
I don't think this is the right game to put a hole through someone.
Are you ready? You feeling ready, Moomsuke?
Absolutely not. But I'm Moomsuke, and I don't need to be ready.
I like that lack of confidence about you, Moomsuke.
Thank you. Yes, inside I'm actually insecure. Oh my gosh, that's the nicest thing anybody said to me since my brother killed my entire family.
Oh. I'm sorry for you. I'm sorry to hear that.
Please don't trauma dump in the middle of the interview.
Time to feel good.
IRyS would be the distraction.
IRyS.
In case someone is playing a little too well and needs to be brought down a peg or two, IRyS will be
Yikes.
there to distract.
Sakurus.
Yes, IRyS the wild card.
IRyS.
It is her role.
They caught me from the wild. IRyS.
Are you a Pokemon now? You saying your name? IRyS.
Anyway, do you have any final words? Moomsuke, I'm coming for you. I'll see you on the battlefield, my friend.
I think Bae's was Bae's around 11 minutes? And I think Mumei's was around 24 minutes?
But since Moomsuke has been practicing a few hours before this, and Baeruto has been busy, we might not be able to know the end result of this game.
It looks like Bae is making it to the chimney first. Very difficult obstacle, I would say, in this game. They say that if you get past the chimney, you can beat the rest of the game. That the chimney is all the skills that you need.
No, I kind of disagree with that, because the real game starts at the orange hell.
Orange hell is very punishing, but physically it's not. Skill-wise, I don't think it's harder than the chimney. It's just more punishing. Although I too have been stuck at Orange Hell.
So, since you've been a good mentor to these two, what was your record?
My record is 4 minutes 32 seconds.
4 minutes and... Okay, I can see why you're the mentor.
Is it not 4:23? It was 4:29. I'm sorry, I'm lying. I'm spreading misinformation about my skills. It was 4:29. I said it with such confidence too.
I can't believe you would go around spreading misinformation like that on the internet. The speedrunners would be enraged.
I know. Well, it's not on speedrun.org, so does it even really count? Oh, they already made it to the slide. Attempting the slide skip. They're moving fast.
Very speedy. Just how many tries do you think it'll take for her to get it?
Are we counting? There's one. Maybe she already made one before. She's lining it up.
Need to have a steady mind and hand for
made
this. Oh, she made it. Meanwhile, Moomsuke seems like she's struggling just a little bit, but she is catching up very quickly.
She did tell me, I got some insider info that she learned the slide skip. Will she be brave enough to attempt it in this run? That's what we will find out. Oh, it looks like she's going for it.
She's learning.
She rejected the slide skip so many times, but will she finally attempt it?
I think she is giving up and going for the old-fashioned route.
After 3 attempts, she is giving up. You've played Getting Over It, but you haven't beat it.
I have beaten it by quitting the game. You win the game if you never lose.
Well, I don't know about that. I mean, there's like a win screen, you know, that you can get by beating it.
You know, I disagree. I think those are just numbers on the screen.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, Moomsuke. How are you feeling?
Awful. I'm just kidding.
You gonna...
Moomsuke, you did great, though.
Kronii? Kronii? Shut up.
Excuse me, that's Ourochimarue to you? Thank you very much.
Kronii? Kronii?
No, Ourochimarue. Kronii Ourochimarue.
Miss Macaroni.
That's Miss
Macaroni.
Ourochimarue to you, Moomsuke. Sit down.
Miss, no.
Sit down.
No.
You did good. Sit down.
No.
How do you feel? Aside from feeling terrible.
I'm fine.